it's now Google Maps on my dashboard. Cool, huh? First, go to settings, general, and make sure the iOS is 13.6. Now go to the App Store, go to Google Maps, and make sure the version is 5.5. So I got my Google Maps on my phone right now, and that's heading to San Francisco and my entertainment system. And I'll just connect the CarPlay USB cable right now. Right, it's connected. Let's see what happens. Right there. So it's now Google Maps on my dashboard. Cool, huh? And I just press start on the phone. There you go.
Head south toward Kiley Boulevard.
Nice. That's Google Maps on the dashboard now. And this is my Amazon Prime Music. And my phone directions. Awesome. Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Like and share.